Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out the week of March 20th through March 26th in my Makselife planner. I just realized when I was looking down at my planner that it is the first week of spring, or actually the first day of spring is on Monday. And I did not exactly pick a very spring-like kit. Nonetheless, I'm very excited to use it. So this is kit 512 from Planner Kate. So I've got the doodles here, this new sort of script option that she's offering that I absolutely love. I love the font, all of it. And with this kit, I'm going to be doing more of a journaling style kit, if you will. I'm just really excited about it. I was going to use all of these in the month of March, fell a little behind, and now I'm like, well, here we are. This is going to be fantastic. I also have some of the sheets for the Hobonichi Cousin kit, and I think I might actually use like some of these square stickers in here just because the sizing is like perfect, and they will fit within the columns and you can like layer them with other things. I think it's going to be awesome, so probably pull from that as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So with this, I think what I'm going to do is use the yellow sort of header here. I'm going to try to make this work. I'm kind of thinking of like, where would I put numbers if I had numbers here? But we can just start here and then add like the M for Monday. I think that this will work, and then just put the number next to it. Maybe. I kind of like the way that that looks already. I think I've shared this a few times already, but I've just really been loving the journaling kits. Like, to me, they're just so much fun. And I'm just going to put the date down here so that I don't forget. And the pen that I'm using is the Sarasa Blen, B-L-E-N. This pen is like new to the planner community, I guess. I think it's actually been out for a while. I'm not 100% sure, but it's definitely been all the rage since Go Wild, which is pretty cool. I think I shared this last week. It did come in swag, and if you sat at their table, you got it as well. So yeah, I've ordered a few from Jet Pens, but for some reason my order is taking an extra few days. I think it's been all of the like just crazy weather we have had across the country, because I've got actually several orders delayed, not just my Jet Pens order. So we'll see if I get it tomorrow on Monday. That would be absolutely fantastic. All right, I've got the dates in there, and now I'm just going to take a look at some of the like bottom strips and things like that and see what I want to put where. I'm really thinking that I want to put these across the bottom. I think that that's going to be really pretty. And then I will just use my slice tool to remove the excess. Okay, and then I also want to go ahead and use these, but I'm trying to figure out how I want to use this one. I kind of like it that way. I would typically put it this way. I don't know, it might be kind of neat to change things up and do the same thing on this side for the weekend with the stripe option. Oh, there's this option too. There's so many options. That's what I do love about the journaling kits. They're really fun to use. So this past week I had my first Friday Night Live since Go Wild. That was a lot of fun. I just love the way that that fills up the space. All right, let's use the stripe one on this side. And it was so much fun. I'm happy to get back into like some kind of rhythm for things, because I don't know, I've had a harder time recovering from Go Wild this time. We've also just had like a lot going on, so that's definitely part of it for sure. Let's put this one back because I can always save that and use that some other time. And then let's take a look at what we can put for this week. There's got to be a this week sticker in here. There are so many sticker options here. I feel like I'm staring right at it, but I'm not seeing it. Let's put the weekend sticker down while we continue to search. Oh my God, this looks so cute, like layered on there. All right, I could always use the don't forget. I feel like I'm gonna see it as soon as I put a sticker down. And then I think I'm gonna layer that on this dotted situation over here. Very good. Love it. I cannot get enough of these. Like, I love these so much. And the icons, of course. I kind of need to spread everything around for me here so I know exactly what I am grabbing. All right, so the schedule this week, super chill, not a bajillion things going on. I'm kind of hoping that this week is going to be like truly my reset day or week for everything, literally everything. All right, so one of the things I don't want to lose sight of is when I saw this, I was like, I immediately want to use this on my sidebar, and I think I am just going to kind of ignore what's already there and maybe like try to put some meals. Actually, let's pair it in between these two. Do I know what I'm going to use these stickers for? Not exactly. That is okay though. I think that this is going to look really cute. I could be completely delusional and this will not work out, but we won't know until we try, right? Okay, second sticker is down, and then the third one. I could have put white out over the little dots there, but I think it's going to be just fine. And then we've got space for some checklists if we need them there. Okay, videos for the week. I'm also gonna lean on using these cousin stickers, but obviously Monday is going to be the plan with me. I think these fit perfectly, like right in the middle. They look really, really good. And then my next video is probably going to be on Friday, and that's going to be a review video. We are full steam ahead into launch season, and it's gonna be great, you guys. It's gonna be great. I like the pile of planners that I am accumulating for launch season is just amazing. So if you're a planner company and you're watching this video and you want some things reviewed, hit me up because it's going to be a wild ride. All right, so like I said, Friday is going to be a review video, and then Monday is the plan with me. Okay, on Monday, I've actually got some content with a brand that needs to go up, so I want to make sure that that gets kind of highlighted right there, if you will, and I'm just going to put the little love bubble right there because that's going to be fun. And then Monday afternoon, I do need to go pick up a prescription. I hope to God the pharmacy hasn't decided to just like boot it out of the system. But there were some delays with my prescription being ready, and then I wasn't available to go pick it up, so that was kind of a pain. But definitely by Monday, I need to go do that. And then my task for Monday night is going to be working on some sticker organization because I just went in my binder to go grab just this kit, and it was it was not great. I was like, I need to spend maybe like even just 15-20 minutes a day this week just kind of getting my crap together. All right, let's move on to Tuesday. I do have a one-on-one meeting with my boss. Actually, no, I don't. They're on vacation. Awesome. On Wednesday, though, I believe it's on Wednesday, we have a round table with some of our employees. So I'm going to put that down before I forget all about that. And that's happening somewhere around here. This will work. I'm going to use one of these cousin squares because I absolutely love them. Let's go with this striped one. I am really loving this. I actually really like the cousin stickers in here. I don't know what it is. It's like the size is like slightly smaller than this column. I don't know. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so there is that. And then I know kind of on Tuesday I really don't have a whole lot going on, and that's totally fine. Okay, moving on to Thursday. That is payday. I'm almost certain. Yep, there is a payday sticker here, and then we'll just pair it with these dollar signs right here because that's always that's always awesome. All right, and then what do we want to layer it on? Let's see what our options are here. Let's go with this lighter blue. Love that. All right, and then by Tuesday evening, I will need to be working on editing my video for Friday, and I think I'm going to pair that with this little computer screen here because that definitely has to happen. And I want to kind of write on the sticker before I put it on here because obviously the coil gets in the way and that makes it hard to write. Let's actually go with this one. And I think what I'm going to do for some of this open space on here is integrate some lists. So there's this like must do, reminder, important, what else? Even the catch up sticker. I feel like I just dropped a sticker somewhere. And like the errands one I can save for Saturday, but we'll just do this one here, this one a little bit lower, and then this one a little bit lower from that. And then use my Zig Clean Color dot marker to add some little list bullet points there. But we're not going to get too crazy. We're not going to make like a 10 item list because we got to keep it realistic. So just do 4 or 5 for each day, and then I can fill them in as the day approaches. Those aren't exactly straight, but it's gonna be okay. Let's move on to Friday. That is a work from home day for me. I love this, and I think I'm gonna use, well, I think the work from home is gonna be kind of long, so I don't have a whole lot of space to pair it with there. But it is also trash day, and I saw that there was a little trash can somewhere around here. Nope, that's popcorn. Oh my goodness. So we'll put that here, and then I think we might have space to do a little bit of like a do today sticker kind of situation. And then we'll put that there. A couple bullet points for a list. And then did I see a movie night on here? Maybe it's just family night. Planning, cleaning, work, work out. Need to definitely add some of those in here. We'll just do the family time. And then probably I saw a TV on here. That is definitely our idea of family time. Although lately we have been doing a lot of the Wii, like bowling on the Wii. Bowling is like one of our favorite pastimes. So it's always fun when we can be together and do that. So family time down here. I don't think there's room for the TV because of course this is the, let's try to move it over a little bit more. This is the cousin sheet or cousin sticker. It kind of looks okay. We're making it work. Okay, we've got that down. Let's move on to Saturday, which is always 100 miles a minute on Saturdays. So I think we should use the, I swear I saw a sleeping in sticker. And I kind of want to use that across a couple of days. Maybe I'll just put it right in the middle because I'm sleeping in on both days. All right. There's the movie time sticker. It was staring right at me. It was, you were probably looking at the screen like, oh my God, it's right there. All right, so errands. Oh, the out to eat, that's gonna be for Friday. That's for sure. I could always use the movie night sticker though for Saturday, so that's fine. Let's do some coffee time because I believe, I have to confirm, we're gonna have a little coffee date with some friends on Saturday morning. One of my favorite spots in town has like the best coffee, like even better than Starbucks, and it's a small business, so that's even better. All right, coffee time, and then moving on to errands, and I'm just gonna put a couple of points down for that, and then probably some cleaning. And I know I saw the little duster over here because I was like, yep, I know exactly where I'm going to use that. And I'll probably make a little list for the things that I'm going to clean on Saturday. I don't know, just clean on Saturday, like some of it gets pushed to Sunday, but I do try to get a lot of it done on Saturday so that Sundays aren't so jam-packed. I don't know if you guys do the same thing, but that's how my brain works. All right, let's do the movie time, which is probably going to be Harry Potter for the 5 millionth time. And finally using the popcorn sticker. And then just below that, I'm also going to do planning. Because usually on Saturday nights is when I'm like, yeah, I need to sit down and pre-plan before I start filming videos. So that will also happen after all of that. All right, next up on Sunday, it's probably gonna be car wash, groceries, more cleaning, all of that fun stuff. But let's do the groceries. I thought there would be a car wash sticker, but maybe not. That's fine. I could use these script stickers forever and ever. They are amazing. And I will just write the car wash. I love it because it's like right next to the grocery store. And then let's put down the today sticker, a couple of bullet points, and keep it moving. I did forget to put my little laundry sticker over on Wednesday, so let's make sure we do that because that's when we do our midweek laundry. And I think that's it. Like, the last thing I need to put in is a couple of workouts. There's only 2, I believe, of these workout stickers. I wonder if she sells these individually. I need to go back to the website and take a look, but we can put a couple of them down. I do need like 5, but that's gonna be okay. Tuesday night will definitely be a workout night. Let's do the little weight there, although all I'm doing right now is weights, maybe walking like 1 or 2 times a week, but for the most part it's all weights. Ooh, where am I going to put the other workout? Let's put it over here on Sunday, although it'll probably be more like Sunday morning, but I do love some yoga on Sunday. And I just realized that the important sticker stuck to my desk. So there it is, and there it shall be for all of eternity. I'm just kidding. Let's just cover that up. Okay. All right. So this is what I have left from all of those sheets. There's still quite a bit, like if we're not counting the cousin sheets, because that wasn't part of the original plan. But this is what I've got left from that journaling kit, the script stickers. There's still so much that I can use on here. So I'm definitely going to hang on to these sheets and use them for later on. And obviously I still have quite a bit from the cousin stickers. So many stickers. Kate definitely makes sure that we have enough stickers to plan with on her sheets. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.